Right now, Harbor Freight is running a series of deals where if you know how to pick, you can save 30 to 40% even more. But if you choose wrong, you're just buying something on sale, not something that's actually worth the money. There are products with deep discounts that you'll rarely use, but there are also extremely cheap items that you'll end up using every week in your garage or at home. The problem is most of these deals don't last long. Some are in-store, only some have limited quantities. In this video, I'll filter out the 20 best deals at Harbor Freight right now. A few of them. If you skip them today, you might not see these prices again for a very long time. Okay, quick and straight to the point, after more than 10 years doing DIY and deal hunting, I've got one very simple rule: not every discount is worth buying. First rule, under 15%, skip it. It might sound like a deal, but in reality, Harbor Freight repeats this level all the time. There's no need to rush. Second rule, 30 to 40% or more is where it's worth spending money. That's the range where you actually save, especially on tools you'll use long term. And most importantly, don't buy just because it's cheap. Buy because you'll use it. Prioritize 3 things: tools you use often, tools that rarely go on sale, and tools that solve a specific problem you're dealing with. If you find these rules helpful, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more tips like this. All right, now let's get to the most important part: the deeply discounted deals that are truly worth your attention. Let's get started. All right, now we get to the part I think a lot of people like the most: real deep discounts, the kind where you look at it and go, man, it'd be a waste not to buy this. First up, something I really like in this round. The Pittsburgh lug wrench is about 44% off from around $18 down to about $10. It might sound small, but if you've ever had to change a tire on the road, especially at night or in the rain, you'll understand why this isn't just nice to have. It's something you should keep in your trunk. At nearly half off like this, honestly, this is the kind of deal you don't need to think twice about. Next, something DIY folks use all the time: an impact extension bar, 40% off from $10 down to $6. $6 sounds cheap, sure, but the point is you'll use it constantly, removing deep bolts, working in tight spaces, places your hand can't reach. This is the kind of small tool that solves a lot of annoying situations. For me, anything like this at 40% off is an automatic pick, no waiting. All right, if you have a pickup truck or just haul stuff, often the Haulmaster tie-down 4-pack is about 38% off, down to under $8. A set of straps that keeps your load secured, prevents shifting or falling. It's not sexy, but it's extremely practical. And the funny thing is, you never realize how important it is until you actually need it. Another item that's a bit niche, but I really like: a grease gun, about 37% off, down to around $20. If you have machinery vehicles or do mechanical DIY, this helps you maintain smooth operation and extend the life of your equipment. It's not the kind of tool that wows you immediately, but long-term it saves you a lot of money. So at nearly 40% off, I'd say it's worth it. And this one is a bit more fun: the Chicago Electric Rotary Toolkit. 31 pieces, about 34% off from $23 down to $15. You might be thinking, wait, isn't this like a Dremel? Yeah, basically, a budget mini Dremel. Grinding, cutting, engraving, small DIY stuff. It can do a bit of everything. For beginners, this is a great one to try because you don't have to spend $100 just to test whether you'll actually use this kind of tool. So what do these deals have in common? It's not just the high discount percentage, it's that they're all things you'll actually use. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. They see a deep discount and buy it. But if you don't use it, even 50% off is still a waste. If these items are starting to match your taste, go ahead and drop a quick like, there's more good stuff coming. And if you like this kind of straightforward breakdown, no fluff, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future sales. All right, those were just the clearly deep discounted items. Next is the more interesting part: deals that look small but have huge real-world value, the kind where once you have them, you realize what you were missing before. All right, now we get to what I call the small but mighty items, the kind where the price looks normal, even cheap. But once you use them, you're like, why didn't I buy this sooner? First up, something I used to underestimate the most: a drill pump priced under $20, but it can pump up to 750 gallons of water per hour. The number sounds a bit unreal, but I've used it to drain water from an overflowing tank. And honestly, at that moment, it wasn't just a tool, it was a lifesaver. You just attach it to a drill and turn it into a pump. Compared to dedicated pumps that cost a few $100, it's clearly not in the same league, but for household needs, it's more than enough. Next is something that might seem strange if you've never used it: an air wedge around $18 but can lift up to 300 pounds. It's like an inflatable bag that you slide into Gap's doors, washing machines, or heavy furniture, then pump it up to lift things a few centimeters. I've used it to level a misaligned washing machine. Before that, I had to jam wood underneath, which was a hassle. Since having this, just a few pumps and it's done. Honestly, tools like this don't seem necessary until you actually need them. Another extremely underrated item, a self-adjusting wire stripper. If you've used traditional wire strippers, you know how annoying it is to measure adjust and then accidentally damage the wire. With this automatic Type 1 squeeze, and it's done. I used to think buying this was a waste of money, but after doing electrical work around the house a few times, I don't want to go back to the old type. Compared to higher-priced brands like Klein Tools, the version at Harbor Freight is more than solid for DIY needs. Next, something I always tell friends, a 101-piece first aid kit around $15. This isn't just a deal, it's something you should already have. It's not something you buy for fun, it's for when you actually need it. You don't want to be looking for bandages while you're bleeding. And the good thing is these kits rarely go on sale, so when you see a deal, grab it. And this might sound a bit funny, but it's incredibly useful: a cordless hot glue gun. I know a lot of people think it's for crafts, but I actually use it for cable management, securing lightweight items, even quick fixes in the garage. Compared to drilling into walls or using screws, a dab of glue gets the job done and doesn't leave marks. If you're already on the Bauer battery system, it's even more worth it. So what do these items have in common? They're not flashy, they don't wow you instantly, but they solve small problems you deal with every week. And those small things are what actually make life less frustrating. If this kind of deal fits your style, not fancy, but extremely practical, drop a like so I know, and I'll dig deeper into these kinds of items in future videos. And if you're building out your garage tool setup, subscribing is worth it because these small but mighty items are usually the easiest ones for beginners to overlook. Alright, from these small items, we'll move on to an even more interesting group deals that directly solve problems almost everyone has run into at least once. Alright, this is the part where, honestly, you might not need these today, but you will need them on a really bad day. And when that happens, you'll wish you had bought them earlier. First, something I always keep in my car, a portable tire inflator. It's small plugs into the car's 12-volt port and can inflate from 0 to 35 psi in about 6 minutes. Sounds normal, right? But imagine you're driving at night, your tire goes flat, and there's no gas station around. At that moment, those 6 minutes are worth way more than the few dozen dollars you spent. Compared to brands like Ryobi or Milwaukee, it's not as premium, but at the discounted price, it does the job, and that's what matters. Next is a pressure washer. This is something I use more often than I expected. At first, I bought it just to wash my car, then I started using it to clean the yard, spray down walls, wash outdoor furniture. Once you have it, you end up using it for everything. The Bauer version in this sale isn't as powerful as those machines that cost a few $100s, but for household use, it's more than enough. And the important thing is it makes you less lazy about cleaning. Sounds simple, but anyone with a yard will get it. Then a very small item that solves a real pain point, a magnetic paper towel holder. If your garage used to be like mine, always having to look for paper towels and never finding them when you need them, this is a lifesaver. Stick it onto a metal cabinet pull and it's right there. Not a fancy tool, but it makes your workspace a lot more organized. Other brands have it too, but Harbor Freight keeps it simple, cheap, and good enough. And this is something I see a lot of people overlook, but end up using all the time: a tool tote. It's basically a multi-pocket tool bag you can carry anywhere. Before, I used to carry tools one by one or leave them scattered around the garage, which wasted a lot of time. Since getting a bag like this, I keep all the frequently used stuff in one place, just grab and go. There were even days I used it to carry BBQ supplies. It's genuinely versatile. So what do these items have in common? They're not things you buy to collect, but things you buy to solve very specific problems in daily life. Flat tires, dirty yards, messy garages, tools all over the place, small issues, but they happen all the time. If you find yourself nodding along at this point, that's a sign you're picking the right kind of tools. Go ahead and drop a quick, so I know you're into these practical items, and if you haven't subscribed, it's worth it because I regularly dig up deals that are actually useful like this. So up to now, we've gone through items that solve everyday problems, but the next part is where many people really have to think deals that cost a bit more, but if you buy the right ones, you'll use them for years without a second thought. All right. At this point, I want you to slow down a bit because these are no longer the kind of items you buy just for fun, but things you buy once and use for a long time. And if you choose right, you almost won't need to buy them again. First is the Predator 3500 watt generator. It might sound a bit overkill if you only do light DIY, but trust me, lose power once and you'll understand its value right away. This unit can run for about 11 hours at low load, enough to keep your fridge lights and a few basic devices going. Compared to Honda, it's not quite on the same level, but the price is much more accessible. At the current discount, this is the kind of deal I'd call buy for peace of mind, because when something happens, you know you're prepared. Next is the Bauer pressure washer. I know a lot of people hesitate on this one. If you expect it to be as powerful as gas pressure washers that cost a few $100s, then no, it's not. But for household use, it performs very well. And the nice thing is, you'll use it more than you think. Washing your car, cleaning the yard, blasting dirt off areas you haven't touched in a while, once you have it, you use it. Compared to brands like Ryobi or Sunjo Bauer, sits in the middle, not too expensive, but gets the job done. And when it's on sale, that's the right time to pick it up. If you do your own car maintenance at home or just want to save money on oil changes, a 6,500-pound car ramp is definitely worth considering. I've used jack stands before, but honestly, lifting the car and crawling underneath every time, it's not that comfortable. With ramps, you just drive up and you're done. It's not as high as jack stands, but it's enough for basic work, and more importantly, it's quicker, safer, and less stressful. At over 30% off, this is a buy once, use forever kind of item. And finally, what I'd call a lifetime tool, the Doyle Swivel Vise. If you've ever seen the vise in your dad's garage, chances are it's been there for 10 to 20 years. And this one is the same kind of thing. Heavy solid clamps, whatever you put in it. It can rotate, has replaceable jaws, and most importantly, it almost never breaks if you use it properly. Compared to high-end brands, it's still much cheaper, but for DIY or a small workshop, it's more than enough. This is the kind of purchase where you'll forget when you even bought it. So what do these items have in common? You're not buying them because they're cheap. You're buying them because you will need them sooner or later. And when that time comes, you don't want to be rushing out to buy them at full price. If you're thinking about upgrading your garage or starting to invest more seriously, this is the section you should pay the most attention to. If you find it helpful, drop a like, so I know, because I usually go deeper into these kinds of topics in future videos. And if you want to build a tool setup that you buy once and use long-term, subscribing is worth it. All right, after talking about long-term investments, next we'll go back to something a lot of people care about more: how to build a complete toolbox without spending too much money. All right, if you're at the stage where you don't have many tools yet, or your setup is still missing things here and there, this part is for you. And honestly, this might be the cheapest time of the year to build a decent toolbox. Speaking from personal experience, when I first started DIY, I bought random stuff, missing some things and having extras of others. But if I could go back, I'd do it differently. Wait for deep discounts like this and buy everything in one go. First, we have Icon and Quinn, currently about 30 to 35% off. If you're not familiar, here's the simple way to think about it. Quinn is more budget-friendly but still solid, while Icon is a step up closer to brands like Snap-on or Gear Wrench, but much more affordable. At these discounts, you're basically getting tools with long warranties at near-budget prices. The easiest example, a socket set and a wrench set. These are things you will definitely use. Fixing stuff around the house, light car work, assembling furniture, not having them is a hassle. And the important part is, you don't need the highest end versions right away. A Pittsburgh or Quinn set discounted to around $7 to $14 is enough to handle 90% of basic tasks. If you end up using them a lot, you can always upgrade later. Next is something a lot of people buy because it looks cute, but it's actually very useful: a mini toolbox. Normally around $20 now, down to just over $13. It might seem like decoration, but a lot of people use it to store small tools, screws, or even electronics. It's compact, easy to carry, and more importantly, it helps you build the habit of organizing your tools, which is extremely important if you want to stick with DIY long term. Another combo I always recommend for beginners: a pliers set plus a screwdriver set plus a basic socket set. These three things cover almost everything around the house, and when they're all on sale at the same time, you don't have to overthink whether each individual item is worth it as a whole. It already is. Compared to buying each item at places like Home Depot or big brands, you'll see a pretty clear price difference. It may not be the same level, but for beginners or light DIY, the price to performance at Harbor Freight is very hard to beat. The key point here is you don't need a fully stocked garage right away, but if you start with the right foundation at the right time with deals, you'll save a lot of money and time later on. If you're building from scratch, this section is worth watching again, and if you find this kind of content helpful, the kind that helps you buy smarter, not just buy more, feel free to drop a like or subscribe. I'll be making more videos on building a toolbox from zero like this. Alright, before wrapping up, I'll quickly summarize and remind you of one important thing about these deals, something a lot of people overlook until it's too late. Before you leave the video, there's one thing I want to quickly remind you of, but it's extremely important. Most of the deals I just talked about don't always come back at these prices. Some will be gone within a few days. Some are in-store only, and most have quantity limits, usually just 5 items per type. That means if you come back next week, chances are you won't see them anymore. And this is where a lot of people regret it the most, not because they don't have the money, but because they think I'll decide later, and then end up buying at a higher price. But to be clear, you don't need to buy everything. No one needs 20 items in one go. But if there are 1 to 2 things on this list that you know you'll actually use, fixing your car, cleaning up, doing DIY, then this is the right time to spend. If this video helps you save a few dozen dollars or avoid buying something that's not worth it, drop a like so I know. And if you like this kind of content, buying less but buying right, then subscribing is worth it. I'm actually curious, out of these 20 deals, which one are you aiming for the most? Drop it in the comments, because a lot of the time the best deals come from real user experience, not just any list. And if you have your own tips for hunting deals at Harbor Freight, share them too. The community will benefit. One more thing to be clear about: this is not mandatory shopping advice. Everyone has different needs, different garages, and different budgets. I'm just filtering and sharing deals that I think are reasonably priced and have real practical value. Don't buy just because it's cheap. Buy because you know you'll use it. If you made it this far, I genuinely appreciate it. If this video helps you avoid a few bad buying decisions, then that's more than enough.